How can teenagers genuinely contribute to household chores? Imagine coming home after a busy day and seeing the house clean and organized. It feels good, right? Teenagers can help make that happen by taking on chores that suit their age and skills. Contributing to household chores is more than just keeping the house tidy. It's about showing respect for your family and building skills that last a lifetime. Start small with tasks like vacuuming the living room or mopping the kitchen floor. These chores usually take about 10 to 15 minutes and make a big difference. Cleaning your own room and helping tidy shared spaces also shows responsibility. Washing dishes after dinner or helping with the laundry by sorting clothes or folding them are simple ways to lend a hand. If you have a driver's license, running errands or helping with grocery shopping can be a big help for your family. Yard work like mowing the lawn or clearing snow in winter are also chores teenagers can do, especially during weekends. It's important to see chores as a shared family duty, not just something you do for rewards. When chores are part of your routine, it helps everyone stay organized and shows you're a respectful family member. Parents can help by creating a schedule or chart that clearly shows who does what and when. This way, everyone knows their responsibilities and chores don't become a source of arguments. Doing chores gives teenagers a sense of achievement and belonging. It helps build confidence and teaches the importance of keeping a clean and organized space. These skills are useful for managing your own home someday. When you help out regularly, it also improves communication with your family, making relationships stronger. A good tip is to start with chores you feel comfortable with and ask for help if needed. Playing music or setting a timer can make chores more fun. Always talk openly with your family about what chores you can do and when. Take pride in your work, whether it's sweeping the porch or helping set the table. Even when school or activities get busy, making time for chores shows you're responsible and caring. By genuinely helping with household chores, you're not just supporting your family. You're also learning skills that will help you become independent and reliable in the future. It's a simple way to build good habits that last a lifetime.